It's really very easy to apply your eyeshadow. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you 5 different eyeshadow application ideas that you can try out for any event at all. Yes, any event at all. Hey girls, it's your girl once again. Thank you so much for joining me. So without wasting much of your time, let's hop right in.
I would use the eyeshadow dust protector, eyeshadow blending brush, my precision tapered brush, and my Morphe eyeshadow palette all through this session.
So I know a lot of you would want to know how I drew my eyebrow. I have a different video on that, so do make sure to check it out.
I'm going to start off with mixing the 10% off shade and the Cold Gem shade to get a mid-tone effect on my crease area. Then I would apply the Shook shade on my eyelid. Then I'll take a neutral eyeshadow blending brush to blend them together. And that's it. This is a very simple and cool everyday eyeshadow look you could try out.
Then if you want to add more drama to it, you can add a darker shade.
I'll be using the Spooky shade on the outer eye area, as is the best practice to apply darker shades at the outer part of the eyes and lighter shades to be applied at the inner eye areas. I'm using the Precision flat brush to achieve a lighter effect of the dark eyeshadow.
So you can also rock it like this, guys. So don't forget, this tutorial is about showing you different eyeshadow ideas, so you don't have to be worried or maybe refuse on occasion because you don't know what eyeshadow to apply. Some people can be that funny. And if you want the darker shade to be more pronounced, you use a more detailed brush.
I'm using the Precision tapered brush for an exact placement of eyeshadow in a V motion to have like that angled eyeshadow effect.
If you want a more recent look, you might not want to make it this dark. Many people think it's difficult to apply an eyeshadow, but it's actually easy. Anyone can do it as long as you have your brushes and you have the eyeshadow idea you're willing to achieve.
So I'm going to use a blending brush to blend it together to have that unified look.
It might not look 100% okay now because I haven't applied my eyeliner and maybe a lashes. This eyeshadow application right here is something you can go for. I wouldn't recommend you applying your eyeliner before your eyeshadow. Most people do it, but if you don't know how to do it properly, you might end up ruining your eyeliner and the eyelashes as well. So guys, this is another look you can try. I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer for the next eyeshadow idea. I just want you to have a glimpse of the different eyeshadow ideas you can rock for your events. So this time I would use the So Good shade with my flat brush. So good, so good, so good, so good. I don't think I have a good voice. Guys, do I? Please let me know in the comment section. So I'll be blending this in.
I would use the eyeshadow dust protector to keep my eyeshadow from falling on my face.
Try to blend this area as well so you don't have that sharp cut crease. But if you want a sharp cut crease, you can go ahead and leave it. But I don't want it, so I'm gonna take it out.
Hey, this is already looking beautiful. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section.
So guys, this is another eyeshadow idea that you can try out for that occasion. Seriously, eyeshadow application is not so difficult. Just be willing to do something creative. That's all you need to apply an eyeshadow. So for the fourth eyeshadow idea, I'm gonna clean this off a little bit.
For a more shouty look, I'm applying the You're Kidding shade on the primed area of my eyes.
Okay guys, so I'm about to discuss a very serious matter right now. Like, I don't understand, why do I mostly squeeze my mouth whilst applying my eyeshadow or makeup? Please let me know in the comment section if you think it's a ladies thing and you notice such with yourself. Or could it be my signature? Nah, I don't think so. Then to blend it together, I would use this one here.
Okay, so I'll be using the No Beans shade to blend the You're Kidding shade and the Spooky shade together to make it look neater and uniform.
Yeah, so I think we have gotten that. And this is another look you can go out with. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, girls. So let me apply a light eye pencil so you see what I'm talking about.
You can actually rock this look like this even without applying false lashes.
So that is our fourth makeup look. Yeah, that's the fourth makeup look. So the fifth makeup look today, what colors should we try again? No, yellow will be too shouty. Sorry guys, I actually didn't know it wasn't recording, so I have to do this again. So this was what I did. Applied pink shade, then I went over to the dark purple shade on the side of my eyes. Then I'll blend it with a more natural shade, because for me I think it's already looking too shouty, so using a more natural shade brings it a bit closer to my skin tone. So to highlight the lower brow area, instead of using a brighter shade of concealer or a highlighter, I'll be using a setting powder, because for me I wouldn't want to have an eye look that is too shouty. So yeah, that's it. And next thing is to apply our eyelashes. First of all, I'll use a mascara to clean off the eyeshadow that has found its way to my eyelashes. So I'm using my powder brush to dust off any eyeshadow on my face and to apply a bit of powder. I would also reapply my lipstick, and that's it. We're ready for the occasion. If you would like to know how I achieved this eyebrow look, I have a video on that, so do make sure to check it out. I'll put a link in the description section. Let me know if you tried any of the eyeshadow ideas. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.